Children, it is activity page 16 for day 14. It is a activity page 16 for day 14. It is the conversion of fractions into decimals. Here we have to convert the fractions into decimals, and this is the conversion if the denominators are in the form of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Here you observe the denominators are 10, 10, 10, 100, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 1000, like this way. In this case, you can convert this into decimal very easily. That you have to count the number of zeros in front of 1. In front of 1, we have to count the number of zeros, and after the decimal point, that number of digits will be there. If there are 1 0, 1 digit after the decimal point. If there are 2 0, 2 digits after the decimal point. If there are 3 zeros, 3 digits after the decimal point. That you have to count here. 1 by 10. See the denominator is 10. So in front of 1, 1 0 is there. So here you write 1 and directly you can put the point here. How many digits are there after the decimal point? 1. Next here 8 by 10 is also 0.8. 6 by 10, 0.6. 9 by 10, 0.9. 65 by 10. Here you know that 65 is there, and in front of 1, 1 0 is there. In the denominator 1 0 is, therefore you write 65 and decimal point comes before 5. Decimal point comes before 5. So number of digits after the decimal point is 1 here. Here also you can write 78 by 10 is 7.8. 87 by 10 is 8.7. And 543 by 10. Here also 1 digit after the decimal point. 0.3 you must take. Now you observe here 1 by 100 is there. Here there are 2 zeros, and after the decimal point, here you know that in the numerator 1 is there. 1 you write, and don't write point here, because here there are 2 zeros. In the denominator it is 0, 2 0. In the denominator 100 is there, that is after the 1, 2 zeros are there. Therefore here to make it 2 digits after the decimal point, take 1 more 0, then you put the point. So it is 0.01. Here also 0.08. This is 0.05. Here 2 digits are there. Here also 2 zeros. Here take the point after 2. 0.25. This is also 0.58, 0.81. Here 3 digits are there, but here only 2 zeros after the decimal point. Therefore here you must take the decimal point after 3. That is, first you write 432, then you put the point here, 4.32. This is the method of converting the fractions into decimals if the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, like this way. Here you observe 1 by 1000 is there. Here you take 1, and how many zeros are there? 3. So 1, take extra 2 0, then you point and 0 here, that is 0.001. Here also 0.009. Here 0.008, and here 0.006. Here 25 by 1000 is there. So here you write 25 and 1 to 2 digits, and 1 more digit is to be taken, that is 0. Point you put here. Then here also 54 by 1000 is there, that you have to take 5 4, take 0 and point here. This is the method of converting the fractions into decimals. Here you take, here already 3 digits are there, here 3 zeros are there. So directly you can write 573, 1 2 3, 3 zeros, 3.3 digits. So you write here. Similarly, this is 0.425, 0.823. So the digit comes after 3 digits, means after the decimal point there will be 3 digits if 3 zeros are there in front of 1. Here this is 1 and zeros, 1000, 10,000, like this way. Then you can put the decimal point easily. So here let us take one by one. First one. So take children. First one is 1 by 10, 8 by 10, 6 by 10, 9 by 10, 65 by 10, 78 by 10, 87 by 10, 543 by 10, 360 by 10, 368 by 10, 957 by 10. And come to the second column. Here the fractions are 1 by 1000, that is converted 0.01, 8 by 100, that is converted 0.08. Next you convert 5 by 100, 3 by 100, 25 by 100 is converted 0.25, 58 by 100, 81 by 100, 432 by 100 is converted 4.32. You write 864 by 100, 675 100. Third column you take 1 by 1000, 0.001. Next you take 9 by 1000, that is converted 0.009. Next 8 by 1000, 6 by 1000, 25 by 1000, 54 by 1000, 36 by 1000, 573 by 1000, that is converted 0.573, 425 by 1000, 823 by 1000. Convert all the fractions into decimals by using the hint given. Here there are some more fractions to convert into decimals. So children, convert the following fractions into decimals. See here, 265 by 4. Here you observe the denominator. Denominator is not 10, 100, 1000. Here the denominator is 4. In that case, you divide 265 by 4. You know the method of dividing one number by other number, that is 265 by 4. How will you divide? Here you divide 265 by 4. Then you know that 7 is smaller than 4. So you take 26. 4 6 are 24. 6 minus 4 2. 2 5. Again 4 6 are 24. 1. 1 is smaller than 4. You take 0 here and point here. Then 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again you take 0 and 4 5s are 20. So you got 66.25. If there is 10 or 100, 1000 are in the denominator, then you can directly write. But here it is 4, so you must divide and write. So you got the decimal form 66.25. Then 576 divided by 6. You take 576 and divide it by 6. You know that 5 is smaller than 6. Then you take 57. That is 6 9s are 54. Then what is remaining here? 7 minus 4 is 3. Then you take 36. And you know that 6 6 36 0. Then it is 96.0. So you can take 96.0. Then similarly you take this one, 383 by 5. Here also divide and write. 845 divided by 16. Here you must know the table 16 to divide it. So divide this 845 by 16 and write the decimal. Then 63 by 18. Divide 63 by 18. Before that here you can cancel here. Know that 9 2s are 9. 7s are. Then you can divide 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So 7 2 3s are 6, 1 is remaining, put 0 and point here, 2 5s are 10, so you'll get 3.5. So if it is possible to cancel, then you cancel, simplify the fraction and then you divide, because you know that 9 2s are 18 is there, 9 7s are 63. Like this way you can 7 by 2 can be easily converted into decimal. Here also you divide 785 by 14, then 374 by 16. Here you can cancel, because in these two are even number, both are divisible by 2. 2 8s are 2 1s are there, 1 7, 2 8s are 16, 1 is remaining, 2 7s are. Now you divide 187 by 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 is remaining, 2 7, 8 3 is 3 is remaining, take 0 and put point, 8 3s are 24, 6 is remaining, take 0, 8 7s are 56, 4 is remaining, take 0 and 8 5s are 40, you will get 0. So that is 23.375. 23.375. In this way, simplify and then divide. Dividing the numerator by denominator, you can get the decimal form. Here also, if it is possible, try to divide it by 2. Here first it is divisible by 2, 2 6 are, and 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 2 3s are. Again you can divide it by 3, because 2 plus 7 plus 3 is 12. So then you divide by 3, 3 2s are, 3 9s are, 3 1s are. Now you divide 91 by 2. Then you write the decimal form. Here you divide 486 by 15. If it is divisible by 3, you know that this is divisible by 3, 1 plus 5 6. Here it is 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 is divisible by 3, then you can divide this by 3. After simplifying, you can convert this into decimal. Then take next one. Here then 9 by 12 is there. You know that this 3 3s are, 3 4s are, then you can divide 3 by 4. Here 3 is smaller than 4, put 0 and point here. Then 4 7s are 28, 2 is remaining, put 0, 4 5s are 20. So you got 0.75, which is equals to 0.75. In this way, by simplifying, you can divide it easily. And here 3 by 15 is there. You can 3 1s are, 3 5s are, you can convert into 1 by 5, and 1 can be divided by 5, you will get 0.2. Similarly, 8 by 14, simplify it and then you divide. Here also 367 by 400 is there. 367 by 400 is there. Now you can do it here. 367 by 400 is nothing but 367 by 4 into, so you write here 4 into 100, you can write 4 into 100. Here you 100 got, you write it as it is. Now you divide 367 by 4. 367 by 4, and you know that you have to take 36. 4 9s are 36. Okay, now 7, 4 1s are 4, 3 is remaining. Then you put 0 and put point here. 4 7s are 28. Again here 2 is remaining, and you know that 4 5s are 20. You take 0 here. So you got 91.75 here. That is 91.7. This is 91.75. You got 91.75 by 100. Here 100 is there. This is only divided by 4, not by 400. Divided by 4. Here you got that 367 into 7 by 4 into 100. 367 by 4 into 100 you got. So here we divided this by only 4, not by 400. So here you got what? 91.75. You got 91.75. That is nothing but 91.75 by 100. Again here how many zeros? 2 zeros. Next point comes here after 2 more digit. Here you must take 4 digit, first 2 digit, and as there are 2 zeros in front of the 1 in the denominator, here 4 digits must be there after the decimal point. In this way, make simple and divide and then convert into the decimal form. Here also you can follow the same steps here. What you can do, directly this 0 0 cancels. 0 0 cancels. Then 5 9 ja, 5 10s. So you got 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So directly you can write 0.9. 0.9. Then you take 980 by 800. Here you can cancel 0 0, and again 98 is there, 80 is there. Then it divides by 2. 2 40s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 49s are. You got 49 by 40. Then you can convert this into 49 by 4 into 10. Then divide 49 by 4. It becomes easy for you. 49 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Then you take 9. Then 4 2s are 8. 1. Now you put 0 and point here. Then 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 0. 12.25. You got what? 12.25 by 10. Again here 1 0 is there in front of 1. The point comes after 3 digit. One more digit we have to take here. That becomes 1.225. 1.225. This is the easiest method of converting. So you know that it is difficult to divide it by 40. If you are ready to divide, you can divide. Then if you want to take this one, here you observe 576 by 300 is there. Now find the sum here. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 6 18. It is divisible by 3. So you write 300s are 3, 3 1s are 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are. So you can directly 92 by 100 means the decimal point comes after 2 digit 2 and 9, or 2 digits are there after the decimal point. In this way, simplify the fractions and make it easy to convert. So here 848 is there divided by 200. You know that it is divisible by 2. Both of them are 848 and 200 are. Then you divide it by 2. You will get 100 here. And 4s are, 2s are, 4s are, 4s are. 424 by 100 can be easily converted into fractions. Similarly, this you can convert easily into fractions. 567 by 100 is there. And in front of 1, 2 zeros are there in the denominator. So you can convert it. Now you come to the third column. 5 by 2000 is there. 5 by 2000. You know that here. So you can make it 5 1s are, 5 400s are, or otherwise directly here. You know that 5 by 2000 is 5 by 2 into 1000. 2 into 1000. Divide 5 by 2. If 5 is divided by 2, you will get 2 2s are 4, 1, put 0 and take decimal point here. 2 5s are 10, you will get 2.5. So it becomes 2.5 so by 1000. 1000 is there. So you write 1000. 2.5 by 1000, and already one digit is there after the decimal point. here 3 more digits must come after the decimal point. So for that, what you have to do? So 5 you write and take 2. So 2 digits are there, means 1 plus 3, 4 must be there. Take 2 zeros. Now it becomes 4 digits. Now you put the point. So it becomes 0.0025. 0.0025. In this way, here make it easy and then you convert. Here also, here 6 by 3000 is there. 6 by 3000 means you can convert it into 1000. Here very easily you can convert, because 3 1000, the 3 2s, you will get 2 by 1000. Easily you can convert into fraction. 2 by 1000 means, here first you write 2, and how many zeros should be taken, that you take and convert. Now 75 by 5000. You know that here is 5, here 75 is there. Both of them are divisible by 5. 5000 the, and 5 ones are 5 15s. Then it becomes 15 by 1000. You can convert this into easily decimal. How many digits are there after the decimal point? Think and write. Now 95 by 4000. Here you make it simple. 95 by 4 into 1000. First you can divide 95 by 4. 95 is divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 5. 4 3s are 12. 3 is remaining. So 3 is smaller. Take 0 and put point here. 4 7s are 28. 2. Then you take 0 and 5s are 20. You got 23.75. 23.75. Here you got 23.75 divided by 1000. So here already 2 digits are there after the decimal point. Extra 3 digits. Extra 3 digits means you must take 3, 2, and also extra 1 0 you have to take. Here see, 75 already there, 3, 2, and 1 extra 0. So totally how many digits are there after the decimal point? After the decimal point there are 5 digits. After the decimal point there are 5 digits. So you got 0.02375. 0.02375. Already 2 points, extra 3 points, as there are 3 zeros in front of 1. In this way, by simplifying the fractions, that you can convert into decimal. Now here also, here 4 is there. If it is possible to divide, otherwise divide 738 by 4, and 4 into 1000 you write here, and divide 738 by 4. Here also you know that it is divisible by 2. So 2000 is there, and you can divide 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 7s are, like this way. You got 4287 by 1000. Then you can convert this into decimal. Here also it is both of them are divisible by 2. So here you will get in the denominator 1000. If the denominator is having 1000, then you can easily convert. And this is here 269 by 2000. You know that it is not divisible by 2. So first you convert this it. Here you can convert this as 269 by 2 into 1000. Now you divide 269 by 2. 269 by 2. So it becomes 269 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 6 you take. 2 3s are 6. And 9 you take. 2 4s are 8. 1 put point. And 5. 2 5s are 10. You got 134.5. 134.5 by 1000. Here 1 digit is there. Extra 3 digit means all we have to take. 1345. 0.1345 you will get. In this way you can make simplified form of the fraction. So children, take one by one and convert into decimal. First one is 265 by 4. Second, 576 by 6. Third, 383 by 5. 845 by 16. Then 63 by 18. 760. Then 785 by 16. 374 by 16. 546 by 12. 486 by 15. 9 by 12. 3 by 15. 8 by 14. 367 by 400. 450 by 500. 980 by 800. 576 by 300. 848 by 200. 567 by 100. 5 by 2000. 6 by 3000. 75 by 5000. 95 by 4000. 874 by 2000. 738 by 4000. 8574 by 2000. 5842 by 2000. 269 by 2000. These are the fractions to be converted into decimals.